Fox 11 is on special assignment tonight with an update to a story we first broke last week. Good evening, everyone. Today, Bellin Health officially announced that it has purchased OB-GYN Associates.
The clinic was the only abortion provider in Green Bay, and it is now closed. Bellin will be opening its own OB-GYN clinic, but it will not offer abortions. Fox 11's Robert Hornacek joins us now with more on what we've known and what's new. Robert.
Well, Tom, we've known for a week that the abortion clinic would be closing. What we have not known is what Bellin had to say about the purchase. We also did not know what would be next for the people who protested outside the clinic for years. Today, we have some answers. The sidewalks around the Medical Arts Building on Webster Avenue in Green Bay no longer feature protesters. That's because abortions are no longer being performed at the OB-GYN Associates clinic inside. The clinic officially closed on Wednesday under a business deal with Bellin Health. Fox 11 on special assignment first broke news of the clinic's closing last week. For the first time since our story, Bellin Health acknowledged the sale. It issued a 4-sentence statement saying, in part, Bellin Health is establishing a new clinic, and pregnancy terminations will not be among the services provided. Ever since this story first broke, we've wanted to interview someone from Bellin to find out more about the company's decision, but Bellin has denied all of those requests and instead offered us another statement, saying this is the company's final response to questions on the issue. That statement says the decision was solely focused on establishing a clinic to provide comprehensive health and wellness services for women. The statement also says the new clinic will adhere to Bellin's long-standing policy regarding abortions. That policy does not allow for elective terminations.
Today is really a historic day in the city of Green Bay.
Meanwhile, abortion opponents, including Bishop David Ricken from the Catholic Diocese of Green Bay, celebrated the news.
We're not here to condemn, but we're here to thank God that this place is closed.
It's kind of hard to believe, but there's a deep joy.
Jim Ball is the director of 40 Days for Life in Green Bay, the group behind the prayer vigils. While abortions are no longer being performed in Green Bay, the protests will continue. The group will be holding prayer vigils outside Planned Parenthood's clinic in Ashwaubenon. That clinic does not provide abortions. It offers services like cancer screenings, birth control, and pregnancy tests. In an email to Fox 11, Planned Parenthood of Wisconsin spokeswoman Stephanie Wilson said the services provided at this health center help catch cancer earlier, stop the spread of sexually transmitted infections, and reduces the number of unintended pregnancies. This is basic health care that all women need. Ball says the issue isn't just abortion, it's about the behavior that leads to it.
If Planned Parenthood in Green Bay doesn't want to be associated with abortion, they'd better change their name, because that is what they do. That's their business. And it's a process of indoctrination of the youth into early sexual activity, promiscuity, sexually transmitted diseases, and then crisis pregnancies, abortion. It's a vicious cycle.
Ball says the vigils outside Planned Parenthood in Ashwaubenon will begin on September 25th. With the closing of the clinic in Green Bay, there are now 4 remaining abortion clinics in the state. The Planned Parenthood clinic in Grand Chute and the clinic in Milwaukee, operated by Affiliated Medical Services, are both in jeopardy of closing if the state's new restrictive abortion law is upheld. That would leave Planned Parenthood clinics in Milwaukee and Madison as the only clinics to offer abortion services in the state.